Hi, in this video, we'll demonstrate how to integrate ServiceDesk Plus with ADManager Plus. When a user creation ticket is raised in ServiceDesk Plus, let's look at how a user account is automatically created in Active Directory using ADManager Plus and the ticket is automatically closed in ServiceDesk Plus. To begin with, let's log into our ADManager Plus instance using your credentials. Now click on Directory/Application Settings in the top right corner, edit the domain field, check the authentication box and enter the domain username and password of a user account with sufficient privileges to perform actions like creating and modifying users, and then click Update. Now go to Admin, then Integrations and select ServiceDesk Plus. Now provide the ServiceDesk Plus server name and port number. Now generate an integration key in the Developer Space section within ServiceDesk Plus. Once done, copy the key and paste it in ADManager Plus, choose the protocol settings and click Test Connection and save. Now open ServiceDesk Plus, go to Admin, then Apps and Add-ons and enable the ADManager Plus menu. Enter the hosted URL of ADManager Plus, allowing management actions directly from your ServiceDesk Plus console, then click on Test Connection and save. In ADManager Plus, navigate to Automation, then Applications Integrations and enable ServiceDesk Plus integration. Now, configure the authorization using the API key from ServiceDesk Plus. The API key can be generated under User Profile. Generate an auth token and paste it in ADManager Plus. Now let's move on to ServiceDesk Plus endpoint configuration. Let's start by constructing our JSON inputs as per our user creation requirements. To do so, navigate to ServiceDesk Plus, navigate to the Admin tab, Customization, Additional Fields to find all the created additional fields. Now, create an instant template with all these additional fields required for user creation and use this template to create a user creation request in ServiceDesk Plus. Now enter the endpoint URL, choose the GET method and configure headers and enter the JSON inputs into the parameters field. Test and save the settings. Once saved, the API field names of the additional fields should be listed there as a response. Now define the configuration name, description and category. Map LDAP attributes to ServiceDesk Plus attributes to ensure smooth data transfer. In our instance, when a user account is created, the ticket request ID is mapped to its description attribute. Hence, the LDAP attribute description will be mapped as ID in the ServiceDesk Plus column name. Set up a webhook using the put method to close tickets automatically. Replace placeholders in the URL with your ServiceDesk Plus details and test the connection before saving. Create a new orchestration template in ADManager Plus. Add a webhook, provide a block name, description, and select the webhook created. Save your template. In ADManager Plus, go to Event-Driven Automation and create a new automation. Link the orchestration template and specify actions and save the settings. Finally, configure the automation name, category, domain, and tasks. Choose the template and synchronization type. Enable notifications and set the execution time. Save and run the automation. So now you can see a ticket being created in ServiceDesk Plus. And once that's done, a user account gets automatically created in Active Directory by ADManager Plus when the automation is executed, and the ticket gets closed in ServiceDesk Plus. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated ServiceDesk Plus with ADManager Plus. Automation is now active, streamlining user account creation and ticket closure seamlessly. Thank you for watching.